Thank you very much, my brothers. My name is Duke Mainga Echate, and I'm the Minister for Gender, Youth and Sports in the County Government of Kisii. I want to take this opportunity to say hello to every person out there. And then secondly, I want to talk about the most trending video right now in social media about a Kisii, a violent Kisii lady trying to threaten the husband into a fight. And I want to first and sincerely thank the Kisii man in that video, who behaves as a very, very mature man. And I want to congratulate all the Kisii men now that actually we have grown out of physical violence to a level that now we can be able to deal with violent partners in our house in a very amicable, in a very reasonable, in a very rational way. You know, I'm very, very happy, and this is what we want. We must not always fight. If you watch that video from the beginning, quite absurd, quite a shame, when somebody you call a wife, a lady, I'm not even sure that she is a Kisii, because I don't think Kisii women can be able to do that. That she's throwing, she's trying to show the husband how she can be able to throw some kicks. Honestly, what kind of habit, what kind of behavior is that? But I want to say Echate to that man. The way he deals with her, eventually she ends up becoming quite harmless. She can no longer move because of a shame and too much sense that comes out of the man. I want to speak to my fellow young men in this county of Kisii, and even in the entire country. I want to tell you, there's something that we are learning from that video, and it's quite a great lesson. When the lady reminds the man that you need to know where I come from. Do you know where I come from? Do you know? You know, that really is a wake-up call. That before you commit yourself into a marriage with somebody, get to know, do proper background study of that person, so that you don't end up realizing that you got married to a monster who's going to kill you eventually, who's going to beat you, who's going to deny you your conjugal right. Man, say that man is just a gem. Is one of a kind. Is so unique that he stayed with a woman in a house for 2 good years. Right? She doesn't cook for him. She doesn't give him his rightful conjugal right, and he still tolerates her. And when you look at the background of that video, it seems like it's a good home. Okay, the man has taken good care of a lady who threatens to beat him, and he tells her, beat me if you want. So nataka tuendelee hivyo. Let's deal with our women in a rational way. Let's not go physical. Na ukiona maisha imekuwa ngumu, walk out and go. Please leave. That is the best way. And this clearly shows that there are too many issues and challenges in our homes, in our families. We need to come out, we need to talk now and ensure that we end gender-based violence. Congratulations to that man. I look forward to meet you. That is the way we are going to handle our family issues from now henceforth. Tafadhali, usipige mtu ukashikwa upelekwe jela bure. Want to wish you the very best. God bless you.